Good morning, student. Today we will discuss the application of the phenomena electromagnetic induction. What is electromagnetic induction, student? When a coil is moved in a magnetic field or a wire is moved in a magnetic field, an induced EMF comes into play or induced current starts flowing in this. That is known. The phenomena is known as electromagnetic induction, student. Okay, electricity from magnetic induction. Now, student, one of the very important application of this is known as dynamo. Also, it is known as generator, student. This generator are of two kinds: AC generator and DC generator, student. AC and DC generator, student. Okay. Now, on what principle this generator works? Principle, student. Principle is electromagnetic induction. It is based on the phenomena of electromagnetic induction. And what is this phenomenon, student? Whenever there is a change in magnetic field across a loop, whenever there is a change in magnetic field across a loop, an induced EMF is generated. Induced EMF is same as the EMF of a battery, student, which gives rise to induced current. If the loop is closed. Student, this is the principle, electromagnetic induction. This is the definition also of electromagnetic induction, and this is the basic working principle of generator, student. Again, I am explaining in short. Suppose there is a wire and this wire is moved in a magnetic field. Then, student, if this wire is moved in a magnetic field, current starts flowing. This is the principle of generator, student. You must have seen in the bicycle also, one small dynamo is attached. That is a dynamo, student, okay, which is attached. That is also a generator working on this principle. So first I will discuss about the construction of this generator, student, okay. And first I will discuss AC generator. In AC generator, student, one rectangular coil is taken. See, student, we have this one rectangular coil . This is a shaft, student, or a rod to rotate. This is to rotate this coil, student. Now student, two rings. One ring is attached to this part and another ring is attached to this part. This is ring 1, ring 2. There is a rectangular loop, student, okay? Rectangular loop. Now student, this, here there is a brush which is touching this ring. Here there is another brush, student. Carbon brush. Same is here, student, okay? This is ring. Now student, this brush is connected like this. This is a galvanometer, student. Okay, student, rectangular loop, two ends connected to two rings, ring 1, ring 2. This end is connected to here, this end is connected to this ring. These brushes are touching, just touching this. Ring is attached. Here, student, magnetic field is created by the help of a magnet or electromagnet. This is, student, what is known as AC generator, student. So what you have to remember is, in the construction, first, student, you have to remember magnetic field is created. It may be by the help of electromagnet or magnet. Generally, it is electromagnet. Second, a rectangular loop. It consists of many turns of copper. This is also known as armature. Also known as armature, this loop. Two ends of the coil, or of the loop I should say, two ends of the loop are attached to two rings. Two ends of the loop are attached to ring 1 and ring 2. It is attached, student, okay? Ends are attached. So this ring rotates with the loop. Rings rotate with the loop. Then, student, we have carbon brushes. They are touching. They are not attached. Fourth point I am writing it here. Carbon brush are touching the loop. So this is, student, about the construction part of it. Now I will go to the working part, student. Working now. say this loop is rotated this way, student, this way, mean this is coming outward, this is coming outward, this is coming out, and this is going down, suppose. Okay, so if you see from here, it is anti-clockwise direction. So what happens is, student, the magnetic field is along this direction. Okay, and this CD I am talking about, CD coming outward as on the board. Okay, now direction of current, Fleming's right hand rule, student, magnetic field, student, see magnetic field this side, CD coming out, motion, see student, magnetic field, thumb coming out, CD, I am talking about CD, it is coming out. Now see the direction of current, student, upward, means from C to D. Current flows from C to D. So if this is the condition, student, now current will flow like this, student. C to D means current is entering from here and it is leaving from here, student. So I am naming this wire, student, PQ. So in the wire PQ, current flows from P to Q. Okay, student. Now one more thing, student, this ring AB is touching ring 1 and this is in contact with brush B1. CD is touching ring 2, it is in contact with B2. So this condition I have explained when CD is coming outward. Okay, student. This is the direction of current. Now, student, what happens after half rotation? CD comes this side, AB comes that side. Now see what happens. This you note down, student. I will draw the next part of the figure. Now, student, after half rotation, CD is coming this side, it is rotating in the same direction, here it is outward, now CD will go inside. Movement is inside. Means in this figure, here CD will come, student. And here AB will come. Now, student, direction of current will change. Now CD is moving inside, student. So what is the direction of current on CD? To make you understand, I am taking only one portion. Okay. Direct movement is inside. So my thumb, right hand thumb should go inside. Now see thumb inside. Magnetic field in the same direction. Now see the current, student, D to C. See the student, current is from D to C. If this is the current, means here the current is like this, here the current is like this. Means in this brush like this, like this. Now, student, when the CD comes here, there is a mistake in the figure. Can you see? Because CD was connected with this ring, so this figure will change. I am drawing the figure again, student. प्रीवियस कंडीशन ए बी सी डी. Okay, student, previous condition. I am drawing this figure again, student, here. Let me draw it here. Some space is required, student. Don't worry, student, this may be looking little bit tougher, but it's not so tough. As you understand, it will be easy, okay? I am drawing the loop here. Now, student, this CD is this side. AB is this side. Here magnet already existing. Now, student, what happens is, see, this here the CD was moving out. Here CD is going inside after half rotation. So just now you see inside means the current direction is this way, student. Here the direction of CD is upward. Here the current is downside, student. Can you see now in this loop how the current is flowing? See, student, this is the direction of current. Okay, student. But student, this CD is connected with brush B2. This is connected with brush B2, student. This you have to understand. And this is connected with brush B1, student. Now see how the current in through the brush is like this, student. See. And through the brush B2 it is like this. Now, student, if you see this part of the figure, this PQ I am drawing, see B1 से student P लगा हुआ है, I am drawing it here only, so that you don't get confused. ये ऐसा है स्टूडेंट, ये है P. और पहले ये ऐसा था स्टूडेंट C. पहले करंट P से Q में जा रहा था स्टूडेंट इसके. अब यहां देखो स्टूडेंट, ये ब्रश B1 है, ऐसा जा रहा है Q. See now the current is from Q to P, student. This you have to understand. यहाँ पे P से Q था, यहाँ Q से P है. Now the current is flowing from Q to P. So student, यहाँ पे जो करंट का डायरेक्शन है ये रिवर्स हो रहा है. That is why it is known as AC generator, student. यहाँ करंट का मैग्नेट डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रहा है स्टूडेंट, मैग्नेट्यूड भी चेंज होगा. दिस इज एसी जनरेटर स्टूडेंट. आप पहले क्या करो, इस फिगर को प्रॉपर बना के एक बार पढ़ो अच्छे से. अभी CD इज कमिंग आउटसाइड, दिस इज गोइंग इनसाइड स्टूडेंट. अब इसके बाद CD यहाँ आ जाएगा, ए भी उस तरफ आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट. तो आप देखोगे यहाँ पे करंट रिवर्स हो रहा है आफ्टर एवरी हाफ साइकिल. इसका बेसिक है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन। तो अभी व्हेन यू रिवाइज 2-3 टाइम यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट स्टूडेंट। ओके, फिगर में थोड़ा सा आपको अभी अनइजी यहां दिख रहा होगा, बट इट इज द सेम फिगर आई हैव ड्रॉन। So this is student what is known as AC generator because the direction of current is reversing. इसका यदि हम फिगर बनाएंगे AC, it is like this. AC student. अब इसको स्टूडेंट डीसी बनाने के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, यही फिगर है स्टूडेंट, देखो मैं यहां बना रहा हूं। यहां पे स्टूडेंट हाफ रिंग ऐसा लगा हुआ है। दिस इज R1, दिस इज R2। ये है स्टूडेंट कार्बन ब्रश। एंड दिस इज आउटर सर्किट स्टूडेंट। यहां पे एज यूजुअल मैग्नेट लगा हुआ है स्टूडेंट, फिर से मैग्नेट। यहां पे स्टूडेंट फिनोमेना ये अपर पार्ट का तो सेम है। जब CD इज कमिंग आउटसाइड, ये है शैफ्ट, इसको रोटेट करने के लिए ऐसे CD ऊपर आ रहा है तो करंट बाय फ्लेमिंग्स राइट हैंड रूल ऐसे आएगा। देखो स्टूडेंट करंट P से क्यों जा रहा है आउटवर्ड, ये CD आ रहा है आउटवर्ड। ये सिंबल है स्टूडेंट बाहर आने का, आउट, दिस इज कमिंग आउटसाइड। ओके, डायरेक्शन P से Q है। लेकिन स्टूडेंट यहां यू सी द अरेंजमेंट, ये जो रिंग है R2 ये अभी B2 से टच है, लेकिन जब ये इस तरफ आ जाएगा ये R2 इसके साथ आ जाएगा, B1 के साथ आ जाएगा। ये आपको समझना है। यहां पे सेम रिंग हो रही थी, यहां पे CD हमेशा इसी के साथ टच में था, इसी रिंग के साथ, और ब्रश भी सेम थी। यहां पे हाफ रिंग हो गया स्टूडेंट, तो हाफ राउंड में दिस रिंग, ये है रिंग R1, ये इसको 2 लिख देते हैं R1। ये हाफ राउंड में ये वाला रिंग इसके साथ टच है। जब ये इस तरफ आ जाएगा तो ये रिंग यहां आ जाएगी स्टूडेंट, मींस रिंग 2 B1 के साथ टच हो जाएगा आफ्टर हाफ राउंड। तो द फिगर विल बी लाइक दिस स्टूडेंट। ये रिंग शेप है स्टूडेंट, हाफ सर्कुलर। इस टाइप यहां पे फिगर में ठीक से बनानी, इस टाइप से है। इसको कहते हैं स्टूडेंट स्प्लिट रिंग्स। तो अभी स्टूडेंट यहां पे CD यहां आ गया है, ये है रिंग स्टूडेंट। देखो CD वाला रिंग है R2, दिस इज R2, दिस इज R1। यहां पे ब्रश लगा है B1 और यहां पे ब्रश लगा हुआ है B2। ब्रश वहीं पे है, ब्रश इज फिक्स्ड। ये रिंग देखिए इंटरचेंज हो गया। अब इसको बाहर का सर्किट अब बनाइए यहां से। ये ब्रश है स्टूडेंट, ये है B1 ब्रश। यहां मैग्नेट लगा हुआ है, अब स्टूडेंट CD जा रहा है अंदर, तो जब CD अंदर जा रहा है स्टूडेंट, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वैसा है, करंट नीचे हो जाएगा। देखो स्टूडेंट, करंट यहां पे नीचे हो रहा है, लेकिन यहां पे ब्रश इंटरचेंज हो गए स्टूडेंट, यहां पे ब्रशेस आर इंटरचेंज स्टूडेंट। आप देखो यहां पे B2 में करंट अंदर जा रहा था, इसमें भी B2 में करंट अंदर ही जा रहा है। देखो स्टूडेंट, यहां पे B1 में करंट इज आउटसाइड, यहां B1 में करंट बाहर ही जा रहा है, तो यहां पे करंट सेम डायरेक्शन में मिल रहा है स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज ये रिंग आपस में इंटरचेंज हो गए हैं स्टूडेंट। यहां पे तो सेम वर्किंग है, करंट रिवर्स हो रहा है, हियर करंट इज रिवर्स। देखो CD में ऊपर, यहां CD में नीचे, करंट रिवर्स हो रहा है, बट यहां का ये अरेंजमेंट के कारण यहां करंट सेम डायरेक्शन फ्लो हो रहा है, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज नोन एज DC। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो स्टूडेंट दिस इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड in a first round, don't take it tense. When you see 2-3 times separate time, you will understand it. Okay student, the phenomena is electromagnetic induction, and basically it converts, you have to remember, it converts generator, it converts mechanical energy into electrical। यहां पे स्टूडेंट स्टैफ्ट लगा हुआ है, मैंने यहां बनाया नहीं है। इट कन्वर्ट्स मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी। दिस इज जनरेटर स्टूडेंट। मोटर इज ए डिवाइस विच इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ दिस। मोटर कन्वर्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिकल इनटू मैकेनिकल। Okay students, so this you write it on your own words in your notebook. Thank you for today's class.